12 proven tips for growing your blog audience. Here is a step-by-step guide on how to make your blog popular. 1. Identify your niche. Define what your blog will be about. Choose a niche that you are passionate about and that has an audience you can reach. Number 2. Create quality content. Develop high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your readers. This could include informative articles, how-to guides, lists, reviews, or personal stories. Number 3. Optimize for SEO. Implement search engine optimization or SEO techniques to improve your blog's visibility in search engine results. Use relevant keywords, optimize meta tags, and create descriptive URLs. Number 4. Promote on social media. Utilize social media platforms like Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, and LinkedIn to promote your blog posts. Share your content regularly and engage with your audience to build a following. Number 5. Guest blogging. Write guest posts for other blogs in your niche to reach a wider audience and establish yourself as an authority in your field. Include a link back to your blog in your author bio. Number 6. Network with other bloggers. Connect with other bloggers in your niche through social media, forums, or networking events. Collaborate on projects, exchange guest posts, or participate in blog tours to expand your reach. Number 7. Optimize user experience. Ensure that your blog is easy to navigate and visually appealing. Use a clean, user-friendly design and optimize your site's loading speed for a seamless browsing experience. Number 8. Encourage interaction. Encourage reader engagement by enabling comments on your blog posts and responding to comments promptly. Polls or Q&A sessions to foster a sense of community among your audience. Number 9. Utilize email marketing. Build an email list of subscribers who are interested in your blog content. Send out regular newsletters with updates, exclusive content, and promotions to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. And before we proceed, please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Number 10. Monitor analytics. Use web analytics tools like Google Analytics to track your blog's performance. Monitor metrics such as traffic, engagement, and conversion rates to identify areas for improvement and refine your strategy accordingly. Number 11. Stay consistent. Consistency is key to building and maintaining a popular blog. Stick to a regular posting schedule and continue to deliver valuable content to your audience over time. Number 12. Adapt and evolve. Keep up with the latest trends and changes in your niche and the blogging industry as a whole. Adapt your content and strategies accordingly to stay relevant and continue growing your blog's popularity. By following these steps and staying committed to providing value to your audience, you can increase your blog's visibility and attract a loyal following over time. Thank you so much for joining me on this journey. Remember, in the grand theater of life, every moment is a magical act waiting to unfold. So embrace the wonder around you, spread kindness like confetti, and always believe in the power of your dreams. As the great magician once said, the real magic is not in the trick, but in the joy it brings. So let's keep spreading joy, one magical moment at a time. Until next time, stay thankful, stay positive, and keep shining bright. Abracadabra, my friends. See you soon.